Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're watching this today and you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. So I wanted to do this video real quick. This company, they got a hold of me, and they make a ring floodlight competitor. And they've thought about it a little differently. And they asked me if I'd take a look at the product, and I said sure, and asked me if I'd do a video. Now, I haven't been able to deploy it yet because I was going to deploy it, and I'm filming some of that. And of no fault of their own, the SD card that they sent with this camera is bad. So I'm not able to do recording and things like that with Black Friday and all that. I went ahead and I just ordered an SD card on special. I didn't want to go out to Walmart or Target or Best Buy and pay full price this time of year. That's kind of ridiculous. But the name of the company is Yeskamo, and you can see that this is the package that it comes in. And they are using, of course, the smartphone app there. And they are not paying me for this video, but they did send me the unit to keep. So I'm going to do it in two parts. As soon as my SD card comes in, I will do a setup video and everything. But I wanted to show this to you because they are also extending a Black Friday special that's even cheaper than when you go to Amazon and you look at this. It's not my affiliate link. It is theirs. I will put this in my store, so if you want to buy it from my store, it will be down there. But they have a special link that offers you more money. But I will, like I said, I'll also put my link down there, and I'll put their direct link. And if you want to buy this camera, you can buy it from either place. So let's take a look at the unit itself. It's not very big. It's about as big as some of the other cameras that we've worked with. Here you can see the antenna for the built-in Wi-Fi. Now, this can actually be an access point. And how that works is on this side, you have your AC barrel adapter there, and it comes with the power adapter. But then here you have your Ethernet. Now, this is not PoE, so you do have to use the barrel adapter for power when you want to deploy this camera. You can see here it's got one of these ball joints that's fully articulating. It goes into the camera. On the bottom of the camera there's a little hatch right here. Now, the beautiful part about this is it doesn't have to use cloud storage. It can record to the SD card that is in the camera. Now, on the front end, you can see right here is a motion sensor. If you've seen motion sensors in buildings, that looks familiar, that white plastic. And then over here, they've got these huge LEDs, so it can come on and be a floodlight. And I was testing the floodlight, and it's pretty bright for as little as this thing is. And then it makes noise and it talks. So if somebody trips the floodlight, it will give an audible warning. So, and then it can also do IR at night. And I will tell you that when the between the floodlight and everything this camera's got going on, it almost looked like daylight. Now, I only got to test it for 7 to 10 feet because this is not hanging up on the workshop. So you saw the workshop if you watched the live stream. This is going to go out in the workshop. We're going to test this. We're going to put it through its paces with the phone app. So, and then the speaker is on the back. If you see these holes, looks like a right here, like a salt and pepper shaker. That's your speaker. So, and it is fully supposed to be fully weatherproof and all that good stuff. So we are definitely going to put it through its paces. So when you get it, it also comes with, here's some weatherproofing for the Ethernet adapter where that plugs in. So you plug your patch cable in, and then you put that around there, tighten it down. It's got a screwdriver and an ejection tool. So that is to access the SD card location and to be able to eject that. It's got some anchors and screws for mounting. It comes with a sticker. I love that all these companies are putting propaganda with this. And then it comes with the user manual. So once I get the SD card, I could show you the interface and all that, but without the SD card and being able to give you the entire experience, I don't want to do that. But I did want to show you this because they are extending that offer, and if you're interested in a Ring competitor and having this camera, I definitely wanted to get it out there to you so you could take advantage of those savings. Let's see if they say anything. So there's a 90-degree, it's a 90-degree viewing viewing angle. What else? And it will do -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is -20 degrees Celsius, and max temp is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It does have a reset button, and they show you in here that it will, you know, how to connect to it with the phone app. You can download the app and then connect to it. So it does have an access point by default that you can just connect to this, and it will also do a couple other modes. It will do a client mode and things like that. Regardless, you still have to use the power on this. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to link out to this so that you can take a look at it. And, you know, they sent this to me. Like I said, no fault of their own. That SD card was bad, so I don't want to do a full video on that. But since they are offering a special deal on this, I did want to get this out in front of your eyes and have you take a look at it. You know, take a look at it, do some internet searches. I haven't done a whole lot of research into the company. I do get a lot of companies that reach out to me and want me to take a look at their products, and I'm always happy to do that, especially when it's network related, camera related, things like that. So we will add this to our list that goes on the camera shootout. Now, I will tell you that it is not OwnVIF compatible, and I'm emailing back and forth with their support to see if it has an RTSP stream that we can tap into so we can capture it with our Synology or with our Blue Iris server. So most of the stuff, just like a Ring cam, is going to be done through the app. The difference between this and Ring is not everything is cloud-based. This does have an SD card. You can connect directly to this device with the app. So, like I said, they're offering a special deal. That link's going to be down below. And if you want to check this out, it's a Ring competitor. Probably next week I will have a video done for this. Since we've got a nice long weekend here in the States, I am trying to film a bunch of stuff, but I also have a lot of client commitments that I need to take care of. So thank you. I am very thankful for that. I am thankful for all of you, my health, my family, and as always, I appreciate you being here. Without you guys, there's really no reason to keep doing this. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You can check out the link below to go check out the Yeskamo camera. If you follow me on Twitter and Instagram, you can join the Discord channel. You can become a patron through our Patreon program. The Amazon shop is down below. Go over to williehowe.com if you need IT support, best practices in wired and wireless networking, security, voice over IP, all those things. We handle those. Fill out that contact form. Somebody will get a hold of you as soon as possible. If we can't help you, we'll get you to a vendor who can. Yes, we do pass on jobs often if they're not in our wheelhouse or we can't meet the time requirements. So once again, I want to thank each and every one of you, and as always, I'll see you